My students, lesson number 18, the very important lesson that you need in English grammar. Welcome. Now, today I want us to talk about tenses. For you to be a good student in grammar, you must know tenses. Now, we are done with the parts of speech. We are done with the pronoun clarity. Now we are heading to tenses. Now, come with me. English grammar has 12 tenses. So I'll teach you in 3 patterns. 4, I'll begin with them. The other 4, I'll do them tomorrow. And the other 4, the day after tomorrow, I'll teach you the remaining 4. So stay tuned till I get that knowledge injected onto your conscious. Welcome. Now, today I want us to talk about present simple tense. Now, what is present simple tense? Number 1, it is present. It is the daily routines and facts. They are happening at the moment. It is present and also simple. Come with me here. A good example is here. She works every day. She works every day. That means the person that we are mentioning, she does it every day. It is present. How do you know that it's present? 1, every day. You see, she works every day. So every day has given us the aspect that the subject here works every day. It is present and also what? Simple tense. Now, let's move to the second. Very important and very simple. Now, it is called, this is the second one. It says present continuous tense. This is even simple. It is present and also continuous. So, unlike the first one that was present and simple, this is present and continuous. Now, this is it. But now, in the present continuous, it's happening now. The temporary actions, they happen at the moment. As we speak, they are happening. Look at this. The present continuous, they are happening now. Unlike the present simple, those were the daily facts. But the present continuous, they are happening instantly at the moment. Now, these are the examples. She is working now. The subject here, she is. Is our helping verb. Working is now a predicate. That's the verb. Working now. So that means the subject is working now. Hope you're getting these things. They are very, very, very simple. I'm very sure by the end of it all, you will have learned the 4 tenses that I begin with. Remember, if you don't know the game, get out of it. Let's continue. Now, let me move now to present perfect tense. Present, but also what? Perfect. That's now the different thing here. It is present and perfect. Now, this is it. Now, in present perfect, these are the past action with present result. I want you to be very keen on this, that these are past actions with present result. These are actions that were done some time back, but they have the present current result at the moment. Now, this is it. I want to give you an example, and by this example, you will learn how they happen. Here is it. She has finished her work. She has finished. The subject has finished her work. So it's just a little moment at the, let's say if it's 10 and the persona who is now there, she, that's the subject, has finished her work. So it's not at the moment that she has finished, but it's present but perfect. She has been writing. Are we together? So it's past. But at the moment, it is something that affects where we are at the moment. Be very keen. She has been watching. Are we together? It is present but perfect. I don't know if you're getting that point. These are the 4 simple tenses of grammar. We also have the last but very, very important, present perfect continuous. We have the present perfect continuous action. For example, the action that started in the past and still continuing. Simple as that. This action in the present perfect continuous, it started in the past, but it's still continuing. It's still on progress. For example, she has been working all day. She has been working all day. So it is something that is present, perfect, but also done what? Continuous. She has been working. So that guy might be also ongoing with the work. So it is present, perfect, continuous. I don't know if you're getting these points. So the big point of these 4 tenses is to teach us that in literature, that is in grammar specifically, we have 12 tenses. But these tenses, the 4 that I have begun with, are very, very key and very, very important. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for your time. As we move to the next bunch of 4 tenses, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.